Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Nissan LEAF range using LeafSpy Pro step by step clearly. Open the LeafSpy Pro app on your smartphone. Ensure your Nissan LEAF is parked and turned on. Connect your OBD2 adapter to the vehicle. Wait for the app to establish a connection with your LEAF. Once connected, navigate to the main dashboard. Check the state of health of your battery. Note the current remaining range displayed. Go to the battery section for more in-depth details. Identify any potential issues affecting battery performance. Look for the DC/DC converter section to see if it's functioning properly. Examine the cell voltages to ensure they are balanced. Find the temperature readings for each battery module. If any cells are significantly out of balance, consider battery management options. Use the BMS reset feature if applicable to recalibrate the battery management system. Monitor the range over the next few charge cycles. If needed, perform a full charge and discharge cycle to improve battery longevity. Keep track of any changes in range after these adjustments. Regularly check LeafSpy Pro to maintain battery health. Stay consistent with monitoring for the best results. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.